Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will show you how to auto-attach sales return documents, either automatically or with a quick prompt. So let's get started. Head to the sales voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here you will find an option labeled as Auto-Attach Sale Return, which involves 3 available parameters. Let's explore all of these parameters one by one. Let's begin with Not Applicable. This means no automatic linking will happen. You'll have to attach sales returns manually. Let's have a glimpse of its functionality during the billing process. We have already generated a sales return, credit note, for this party. Now, let's proceed to create a new sales invoice for the same party and link the credit note to it for adjustment. Press F3 to bring up the linking options. Click on the Link button. Select the relevant credit note you wish to attach. Click OK to confirm the selection. The adjusted amount from the credit note will now be displayed along with the remaining balance after adjustment. Moving on to the second parameter, Attach Automatically. This setting ensures that the system automatically identifies and links any matching sales return documents to the current bill during the billing process without requiring any manual confirmation. Let's proceed with generating a sales bill and save it directly. Now, let's review the bill we just created. Press F3 to verify whether the credit note amount has been adjusted. As you can see, the credit note amount has been automatically adjusted to the invoice. Now, moving on to the final parameter, Prompt before attaching. When this option is selected, the system will prompt for confirmation at the time of saving the bill for attaching any available credit notes or sales return documents. Let's proceed by transacting an item and saving the bill. Upon saving, the software automatically prompts for the selection of any applicable sales return or credit note, allowing you to conveniently adjust the bill amount accordingly.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.